Hello and welcome. While marmalade isn't so big here in the United States, it's a different story in Britain, and for a lot of people it conjures up the image of the perfect breakfast, marmalade on toast. Mostly made using Seville oranges, my recipe here today uses kumquats. And we begin by preparing 2 cups of kumquats, cutting into quarters, removing the seeds and then cutting into small pieces. I prefer to leave larger fruit pieces in my marmalade, but unless you like a really strong citrusy rind taste, keep the pieces small. Next we're going to remove the outer zest of the lemon by just grating it off, and we won't be using this. What we need to use in this recipe is the inner white part of the lemon. So when you get to the white part, grate as much as you can before you actually hit the flesh of the lemon. And then we're going to cut the lemon in half and extract the juice. Then transfer the kumquats into a small pan and add in the lemon zest and juice. Add in a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 star anise, 1 cup of sugar and 1½ cups of cold water. Then give everything a quick mix and cover the pan and leave it to stand for about 2 to 3 hours at room temperature. Now onto the cooking process. Place the pot of fruit onto a medium heat and then bring it up to a simmer. And you'll need to stir occasionally and then reduce the heat and just let the fruit cook gently in the liquid. Now the star anise has a very strong taste, so that will need to be removed after about 10 minutes of simmering. So continue to stir regularly as the liquid simmers and thickens. It takes around 30 to 35 minutes of gentle simmering, and you'll see that the rind has softened and the mixture is nice and thickened. And once you're happy with the mixture, remove it from the heat and just allow it to cool for about 5 or 10 minutes. And then using a sterilised jar, carefully spoon in the warm marmalade. And note that this marmalade will store in a refrigerator for 4 to 6 weeks. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe video, and as always, thank you for watching.